Tandoori chicken is a beloved dish worldwide. The vibrant color and smoky flavor are unforgettable. Imagine biting into a juicy, flavorful piece of chicken. The aroma fills your senses. It's a true culinary adventure. Now, you can recreate this iconic dish in your own kitchen. Don't be intimidated by the fancy name. This essay will guide you through each step, ensuring a successful and delicious outcome. This recipe is a celebration of Indian flavors. It's all about the marinade. Yogurt, ginger, garlic, and a medley of spices work their magic on the chicken. They tenderize the meat and infuse it with incredible depth. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, this recipe is achievable and rewarding. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your newfound culinary prowess. Let's gather our ingredients. We need plain yogurt. It tenderizes the chicken and adds a wonderful tang. Fresh ginger and garlic bring their signature zest to the party. Then come the spices: turmeric for that beautiful golden hue, fiery cayenne pepper, and aromatic garam masala. Don't forget a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten everything up. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. The yogurt not only tenderizes, but also helps the spices cling to the chicken. Ginger and garlic add warmth and complexity. Turmeric, beyond its color, boasts earthy notes. Cayenne pepper brings the heat, while garam masala adds a fragrant, layered warmth. Finally, lemon juice balances the richness and adds a touch of freshness. Marination is key. Combine the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, spices, and lemon juice in a bowl. Add the chicken pieces and coat them thoroughly in this flavorful mixture. Cover the bowl and let it rest in the refrigerator. Ideally, marinate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the flavors to deeply penetrate the chicken. Now, let's cook. You can grill or bake your tandoori chicken. For grilling, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Thread the chicken onto skewers and grill for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally until cooked through. If using an oven, preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange the chicken on a baking sheet and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, flipping halfway through. The chicken is done when it's golden brown and the juices run clear. Your tandoori chicken is ready. Serve it hot, garnished with fresh cilantro and lemon wedges. It pairs perfectly with naan bread, basmati rice, or a refreshing cucumber raita. To enhance the smoky flavor, you can add a piece of charcoal to your serving dish. Remember, you can adjust the spice level to your liking. Start with a smaller amount of cayenne pepper and gradually add more if you prefer a fiery kick. A common mistake is overcrowding the pan while baking, which results in steaming instead of browning. Ensure there's enough space between the chicken pieces. With practice, you'll master the art of making restaurant-quality tandoori chicken in your own home. So go ahead, fire up your grill or oven, and embark on this flavorful culinary adventure.